Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be going over GE's new line, the Cafe series. So we got the matte white on my left over here, and we have the matte black. Now what's really cool about this series, guys, is all the handles and the knobs are interchangeable. So real quick, let's just take a look at the different options that they have. So you can do the brushed black on the matte white. You can do the brushed bronze on matte white. You could do the brushed copper on matte black and the brushed stainless on matte black. So those are the most 4 popular designs. Really cool. The way you can kind of customize your home with the cool colors, matte white, matte black, and on top of that, change up the knobs for a totally different look. So really cool, innovative stuff coming from GE Cafe. But let's dive into the fridge real quick and just kind of go over a few features. This is their counter depth model. This is non-dispensing too on the interior, kind of for more of that flush look. Again, we can change the handles on these to whatever color we have that Cafe offers. So the interior, nice white LED lighting. You notice this is counter depth, so it's a little bit shallower. It's not as deep, but that's the way it's designed so it doesn't stick past your cabinets. You got the water dispenser on the inside right there. It's going to dispense from. Got your water filter in the top left. These lights, I like the way that they're in the front versus in the back. So you don't get that shadow that casts forward. It keeps everything nice and bright right in front of you. It's got the twin chill, which means it uses 2 evaporators and 1 compressor. It's got your little nice features, your gallon storage bins, really big bins, little dividers to kind of divide things up a little bit. It's got the drop down tray, just pinch both sides, drop it down for just some more extra storage there. 4-gallon storage bins on the sides. You got your temperature select zone right here, meat, beverage, deli. You can choose from right there. This is taped, sorry guys, but you can actually slide that back to keep something upright. This will actually collapse into itself. You got your door alarm and your ice maker settings and your temperature settings right on the door right here. Pretty sleek. Again, they do make this with a dispenser if you like that different model. Down below, kind of what we've seen in the GE before. You got your ice maker right here. Since this is not dispensing, it's going to drop your ice right into here. You have an ice maker in the back. It's got 1 divider. You could kind of move this around the way you want it. Same thing down here on this side. So same thing that we've seen with GE. They're changing up the colors. Really cool on all the different styles you can do. Going into the ovens. So this is their induction double oven. So what's really cool is they're really getting innovative with how you can use technology and Bluetooth. You could actually, this is induction, so it uses magnetic heating. You could actually get a magnetic pot and pan. You could actually download the app that comes with the GE, it's the GE Cafe app. You could actually pick eggs and what style you want them. It basically takes the guessing out of cooking. You just put it right there, it'll tell you how much oil or butter to use. It'll actually cook it right there for you. Tell you exactly when to flip it, all that stuff. Really cool technology if you like induction cooking. Your ovens on the top oven here, this is a double oven, so you got the black interior just like GE's pretty much done. So nice hidden bake elements, pretty big oven capacity there. This is a European convection oven down below. It's got your meat probe, ball bearing racks for that heavier turkey, and you also got, like I said, the meat probe there for if you want to cook the inside of that temperature. Microwave, this is a convection microwave too, guys. There's a lot of different options that you can do. This is just kind of the configuration that we have here. This is a convection microwave, so it's got a fan in the back that you could actually bake in this microwave. Again, all the handles and everything you see, all the knobs you could get in your different styles. Really cool by Cafe. But thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you guys next week.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.